everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. Today in this video we can see how to improve your score in data interpretation. Are you scared of this unit because of math? Does this unit stop you from scoring high on paper 1? Are you tired of endless practice in this unit but not seeing any results? If this is you, then this video is for you. Today we can see some tips to improve the score in data interpretation and some serious mistakes to avoid. Before that, we will see an overview of this unit. This unit has some theoretical concepts, but majorly we get questions, we get problems to solve based on the given graphical representation. The theoretical concepts deal with from where do we collect the data, what is the source, and how do we collect the data, what are the data collection tools that we use, and what is the difference between quantitative and qualitative data. The most important part of this unit is graphical representation. We get data in the form of a bar graph or a histogram or a pie chart or a table or line graph. We will see some examples for graphical representation and how it looks like. Here we can see the different forms of graphical representation of data. From the given graphical representation, we have to interpret the data and answer the questions. Now we can see some tips to follow which will help us solve these kind of problems easily and effectively. Questions from data interpretation comes from a variety of topics like percentage, profit and loss, average, ratio proportion and so on. So it would help you save a lot of time if you could make a list of formula from all these topics and revise it regularly. This can also help in understanding different concepts, when to use which formula, and that will give you the much needed clarity to score high in this unit. Second, not all questions require long detailed calculations. Some questions can be answered even by looking at the graph or chart and by using approximates. So see if there are any questions like that and try to solve those questions first. This will also boost up your level of confidence. And practicing questions from various other books, other exam question papers will also help. This way, we will get used to questions from all levels of difficulty. That's with the sum of tips to follow. Now we will see the mistakes to avoid. Ignoring the problem isn't going to help us solve it. If we keep ignoring the practice part, we cannot expect the scores to go up magically. No, it is not going to happen. So make it a point to regularly practice. And during the practice, reduce your dependence on gadgets for calculation as much as you can. Then, do not ever randomly choose answers. Try your level best to find the logic behind and apply it to solve. This is where preparing with a formula chart, practicing with the help of it helps you. Finally, having a negative attitude towards this unit or math in general is not going to help us anyway. Try to believe that with consistent efforts, learning becomes possible and even easier over a period of time. This mindset will help you solve instead of just ignoring. That's about it. Make sure you follow the tips and mindfully avoid the mistakes mentioned in this video. Hope you find this helpful. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.